Hello, are you in the process of manifesting pregnancy? I want you to watch this video to learn 3 things I wish I would have known while manifesting my baby girl. I am Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I'm a psychologist and owner of the store Conscious Life Shop. On this channel, I post weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So please subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post every Thursday. So there are things about manifesting pregnancy that no one ever really tells you, and there are a few things that I wish I would have known before manifesting my baby girl. So by the end of this video, I want to give you 3 things to consider while manifesting your pregnancy. My first thing that I want to let you know about is when you're manifesting your pregnancy, I was thinking a lot about the getting pregnant and the labor and the birthing process, but I didn't give a lot of thought into what type of mother I want to be, which sounds kind of crazy afterhand. But my advice to you is to envision the type of mother you want to be and come up with a plan to become her. So some of you may know that I experienced postpartum depression probably about the first couple of months, I would say. Maybe first 3 months. For actually 100% transparency, it lasted about 4 months because it was getting lighter in that last month, but to be honest, it was still there. And one of the things that really helped me was starting to envision the type of mother I wanted to be and embodying her every day. I really didn't have any vision of what it was I wanted to be, so I was kind of lost and figuring it out as I went along. So one of the things that helped me get out of my depression, besides seeing a therapist, was also just really taking stock of what it is I want to be as a mother and what was it going to take for me to get there. So envision the mommy you want to be and come up with a plan on how it is you're going to create her. So for me, I want to be a working mom and I want to also be a very present mom. So beginning to work towards those things really helps me. And I will say, 4 months we started sleep training as well, and that probably had a significant effect on the way that my mood was, because I was able to sleep again. So if you are envisioning yourself as a mom that is better rested, so you can maybe come up with a plan on sleep training or some things you want to look at even before those 4 months, because there's other things you can do. We use taking care of babies, which I recommend starting just when you have the baby, but also when you're ready to sleep train. So that's my first tip. Envision the mommy that you want to be. Along those lines, another thing that I wish I would have known before manifesting my baby girl was really the support that I was going to need. So that would be my tip to you, is to really think about, envision the type of support you're going to need as a mom. I live in a city at the time and now, when I first gave birth and now, I lived in a city away from family. Now I don't have any family or friends really around. In Colorado, I have one friend. So that means I have to create the support system that I need, right? Motherhood is not meant to do in isolation. So not having that support initially and doing everything by myself was really hard. So we eventually got a babysitter that really helped me out a lot, and still be able to work and then be able to spend time with my daughter, part-time babysitter. So that's what we have now. It's really helping me, and it's something that I didn't really even think about. I was like, I got this. I'm going to have a baby, and I'm going to, sorry, babysitter's downstairs, so that might be her texting me. Okay, no, it's not. So I really wish I would have thought more about like how the support system that I was going to put in place, how that was going to look. Not only support in the sense of babysitting, but support for my husband. If we would have talked about that a little bit more or decided how that was going to look like, I would have had more of an opportunity to manifest that quicker. But you know, we course corrected, but I thought maybe if you're in the process of manifesting, that can be something you can create now and just make your life a little bit easier. My last thing I want you to consider if you are on a journey of manifesting pregnancy is something that's hopefully going to give you a lot of hope. So I want you to know that your baby and your bond with your baby is going to be 10 times greater than anything you could have ever imagined. And I hope that can motivate you to continue your journey of manifesting either pregnancy or motherhood, right? I want you to know that what you're working towards is so grand. It's grander and more beautiful than anything you can imagine, and your heart is in the right place and you're going to experience that. And if it can give you any motivation or hope, just know it's going to feel so much better than even you can imagine, and it's coming to you. So keep that in mind, keep that in your belief system, and I'm wishing you so much happiness, so much joy along your journey of manifesting motherhood. And if you have any questions on anything else about what I wish I would have considered, please write them in the comments below. I get back to 100% of my comments. And until my next video, I want to wish you happy manifesting your motherhood. Be sure to check out my other manifestation videos on manifesting motherhood. I'll link those in the description below. And until next time, namaste.